I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day.
What's up, y'all? It's another hair video. Today we get Asteria. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm bad with names, especially y'all names. Y'all names be crazy. We got a 24-inch straight 5x5. She's already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I already checked her out earlier. She's getting. We got her a dust bag, so when I'm done with her, I know how to store her properly. That's why y'all can't restyle y'all hair, because y'all don't store it properly. We have some lashes. I think so. Elastic band, HD wig cap, edge brush, the unit. She's a 24-inch, like I said. Oh, friend, look at that. Girl, shut up. I am going to be using to secure her today. What else did I was about to do? Put some makeup on my god. It's time for bed. What time is it, Alexa? 9:42. Yeah. And I'm just gonna do one layer. Y'all know I hate them combs that be inside of here. This is a straight wig, so you don't want nothing to look bulky. So, but do what you want to do, though. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do, but I'm just gonna give y'all a little hack, okay? Cut them combs out. It do come with an adjustable strap, by the way, so you can get into a little fight with this one. Ooh, she cutting up already. I ain't even put her on. She cutting up. Can y'all see? Oh. Let's make it. I'm trying to make sure it's the part that's in the middle of my head, because I'm known for a crooked middle part. Look how long that part is. Ugh. The key is to blow dry it on hot, lock it in with cold. It's okay if you burn yourself. You had to hot comb the night before Easter, right? Okay, all right then. I'm gonna apply my band for a couple minutes. Let's talk about how hard it is to put elastic band on.
Take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Flat as land. Who was that outside my door making all that noise? Oh, y'all, let's talk about how it feels. Asteria, stop. Stop. Ah, it feels so good. I'm gonna show y'all, this is 24, but I haven't flat ironed it yet. I'm gonna just show y'all the length check. Length check. Oh. I'm a tall girl. I'm about 5'7", 5'8"-ish. I'm a tall girl. And that's touching the top of my butt. And it's a 24-inch.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap.
Okie dokie. So we're gonna take her off. We're gonna take her off. Oh, she in there.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. You don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express.
Okay. I'm really not good with this part, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I didn't do that bad. I didn't do that bad. Okay, let's really talk about the eat. Chewed it up. Chewed it. My head do be a little big with the middle part. Let's talk about how flowy. 24-inch, y'all, like I said. This is a 5x5. Nice long part. You see how it flows? I'm just trying to, no. Asteria 8001, and it's super flat, very easy to install, super easy. And here, you guys, that was basically, y'all already know Asteria, y'all ate y'all big one. Thank y'all so much. This is so cute. Make sure you guys check out the description box before leaving. Link to this wig will be in the description box, y'all. Honestly, a win is a win. This is a win. This is a win. Flat, flowy, and true to length. Overly true to length. All right, y'all. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Take me off the market.